Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which for the most part is very critical. SLP truly faces obstruction at $3, or so they explicitly thought. Smooth Love Potion truly is as of now esteemed at $3 backing for the essentially. Bear certainly has been laid out at $328 February 2024. In this video, we will in a real sense walk you through truly smooth love potion cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly, especially clarified some things facts. What truly is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for kind of smooth love potion in every way that really matters is SLP a genuinely wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love potion support and obstruction levels and so forth in a significant manner. Yet, prior to plunging especially profound into the SLP's specialized investigation, most certainly allowed us to discuss the exceptionally current economic situations. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 184%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $237, 612, 272, 306 in an unpretentious manner. The genuinely complete exchanging volume especially remains at $163, 559, 595, 374 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 57% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 33%, which basically is very huge, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%, showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours, showing how yet prior to jumping profound into the SLP's specialized examination, fundamentally let us really discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations in an extremely significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410.08, following a value change of 384% inside a similar time period, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410.08, following a value change of 384% inside a similar time period, or so they in a real sense thought. Sol, the especially local coin of Solana, is up by 4.2 and at present exchanging at $112.25 in a for the most part significant manner. Furthermore, XRP came to $57 subsequent to seeing a decay of 407% in esteem in a by and large huge way. These occasions basically show that the market especially is going in a genuinely descending bearing for present moment, or so they thought. Right now and in every practical sense, general in every practical sense, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an essentially enormous manner. Smooth love potion. Backing and obstruction, backing and opposition really are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how these occasions generally show that the market for the most part is going in an in every practical sense descending course for commonly transient in a kind of significant manner. Support basically is a level at which purchases basically become kind of more most certainly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how SLP especially faces obstruction at $3 in an extremely significant manner. Similarly, obstruction is a level at which vendors generally become move truly dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which really is genuinely critical. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of essentially smooth love potion SLP smooth love potion execution. The very day-to-day diagram of genuinely smooth love potion truly shows that the SLP value sort of has a truly descending development with a 118% lessening in beyond 24 hours in a truly significant way. The value worth of the Smooth Love Potion SLP coin fundamentally is remaining at $93 with market capitalization $137,276,313 USD, which explicitly is very critical. SLP cost changes 4.8% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume is drifting around 10 of 10 395 115 USD in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth Love Potion Value Examination SLP Cost Investigation for 28 February 2024 inside a day-to-day time span commonly made sense of underneath, exhibiting how right now a certainly broad sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly is very critical. We utilize pretty relative strength indexes, moving pretty normal combination, and disparity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including commonly straightforward moving pretty normal smart and outstanding moving sort of normal amount to really examine the future development of the kind of Smooth Love Potion. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410.08, following a value change of 384% inside a similar time period, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410.08, following a value change of 384% inside a similar time span in a very significant manner. The truly relative strength record RSI demonstrates that the SLP coin essentially is close oversold zone, as RSI truly is at 34, so however prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the SLP specialized examination, explicitly let us especially discuss the really current economic situations in a fundamentally huge manner. The MACD line especially is remaining underneath of the extremely signal line after a hybrid, so however prior to jumping especially profound into the SLP's specialized examination, for the most part allowed us by and large to discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they especially thought. Smooth Love Potion financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the in every way that really matters day-to-day graph, so Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16-33% in an unobtrusive manner, while SLP's Williams percent R pointer in a real sense is at 73,578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange essentially signal generally is truly conceivable at this reach, so which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%. Showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%, which really is genuinely critical. As per the traditional term, the urgent quick obstruction for SLP may truly be somewhat found at $3, really followed by $4, which generally is genuinely huge. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency's help levels certainly was situated at $3 and afterward $3 in an unobtrusive manner. Ends there explicitly had been an especially regrettable pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will fundamentally go on as essentially lengthy as it generally stays in the rosy region, exhibiting that market examination over the very last 24 hours. There was a